YouTubers, here we are at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show with a beautiful 1968 Camaro and the owner. Your name, sir?
Rick Minier.
Rick Minier. I see you have the Blown Mafia shirt on. What's that about?
In 2019, I was in the Outer Banks and bearings went out in my blower. And Bradley Gray from
Blown
Mafia stepped up to the plate and got me a new 871 blower.
Awesome.
And had it delivered so I could enjoy the weekend.
Wow.
So I'm kind of loyal to him.
There you go. Nice representing. So what can you tell me about the car? How long have you had it?
Approximately 30 years.
Wow.
It's a 68 Camaro. It's got a Merlin block, 540 cubic inch, Flowtech 360 heads, comp cam solid roller, 871 blower,
Wheeling?
wind blower, 2 1/4 inch headers into 4-inch exhaust going to Flowmasters, 3-inch out the back.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
400 turbo transmission with a Kilduff manufacturing shifter, 9-inch Ford with 456 gears.
That's good. Who did the paint?
K&K Customs out of Verona, North Carolina.
Awesome. You have like a sort of like a Linko shifter?
That's a Kilduff manufacturing
okay.
shifter.
Yeah.
It runs off a B&M shifter cable. It's just a standard, I call it my conversation piece.
Yeah. Yeah. It's nice. I like the paint job, how they went in the door jambs with the paint.
Yes,
Nice.
I am very pleased with that. It makes it look complete.
Yeah.
Okay, but I already got a bottle.
You said 411 gears, 456.
456.
You have the fuel pump, fuel cell.
It's 15 gallons of fuel, runs on pump gas.
What size meats you got on there?
31 1850 15s.
Well, until next time, Dreamgoatinc checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.